How to create a catalog in your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we will show you step by step how to do so. It is a very simple process, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first step is going to be going to your online store tab and clicking on pages. From there you simply just want to add a new page from the top right corner, and I'm just going to name it catalog. From this section, we're just going to go ahead and save it from the top right corner. I'm just going to set it as visible. Once that's done, we're just going to go ahead and start creating our collections for the different categories that we want to add in the catalog. So we're just going to go to products, collections, and in this case, I have women's clothing and men's clothing. Yes, I don't have the appropriate products in them, but it is just for demonstration purposes. In your case, you would want to add the products in them as well. Once you have created your collections, you simply just want to go back to online store, click on pages, and create appropriate pages for these collections. So we have a page for women's clothing and a page for men's clothing. You can feel free to create as many as you like. Once all of this is done, we simply just go to content, menus, and we just click on the main menu. And we add a menu item. So from here, I'm just going to name it catalog again. And we're just going to link it to the page, which is the catalog page we have just created. Click on the tick and do the same for the rest of the pages. Once we have all of these pages ready to go, we simply just want to drag these two pages underneath the catalog and any other page you have also. So just drag and drop. It's very simple. Click on a tick, same goes here. Just make sure it's beneath catalog, not the other page. Just make sure they're on the same level and click on save. And now the final part of this is going to be adding the collections to these pages. So just go back to online store, edit theme. And then from here, we simply just want to go ahead and show that we have the catalog page here and we have the drop down menu. So let's just do this one for the men's clothing first. Click on it, go back to the editor, and just go ahead and click on template, add section, and you can feel free to add any collection list you would like. I'm just going to go for the grid, click on it, and then once you actually select it, you just want to go to collections on the top here and click on select, and obviously select the appropriate one. So for this case, it's going to be the men's clothing collection. Once you're happy with it, you're good to go. You just go ahead and click on the women's clothing and do the same thing here as well. Just add a collection and add the appropriate one for it. With this, we have added our catalog page to our Shopify store. So I hope this video was helpful for you. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.